In this video, I will be showing you how to turn a bullet list into a diagram with Napkin AI. Let's get started. I'll begin on the dashboard and click the blank napkin option to open up a fresh, clean canvas. Now, I'm going to type in my title, The Content Marketing Funnel, and paste in a simple, bulleted list containing the four main stages: awareness, consideration, conversion, and retention. Once my text is in place, I'll hover over the block to reveal the blue lightning bolt icon on the left. Clicking this triggers the AI to generate visual suggestions based on my content. On the left panel, you can see several styles to choose from, like the customer journey framework or various flowcharts. I can even click into categories to explore specific designs for processes, data, or timelines. I'll select this horizontal sequence style. Once it's on my canvas, I can start customizing the design. I'll click the title of the diagram to change the font to Source Code Pro, adjust the weight, and center the text. To edit individual parts of the diagram, I'll select the visual and click the Ungroup button. Now I can move and style each element freely. I'm going to change the color of the first stage to a reddish pink and swap the icon for a light bulb that better represents the awareness stage. Finally, I'll change the text color to white to make it pop against the new background. And there you have it. That's the complete process of turning a bullet list into a diagram with Napkin AI.